Nice to meet you. My name is Jack. I am Jack. What is your name? How old are you? I am 15 years old. I am 9 years old. I love being 5. I am happy to be 5. Where do you live? I live in New York. I live in New York and I love it. Where do you go to school? I am in kindergarten. I am in kindergarten and I love it. I go to school by bus. I love my school. My teacher is kind. My friend is kind. He is my best friend. We learn English. I listen to the teacher. Raise your hand. I raise my hand. Show me your work. Look at the board. Read this sentence. Write your answer. I read books. Let's begin the class. Let's stop here. It's time to study. Please listen carefully. I listen closely. I learned something useful. I learned something new. I learn every day. I learn from mistakes. I learn new words daily. I learn step by step. I learn from others. I learn with focus. I understand clearly. I solve the problem. I write a note. I read the sign. I wait quietly. I stand patiently. I finish my work. I finish my tasks early. Tell me about your day. What did you learn today? How was your day? Let's play now. I play with my friends. Share your toys. Don't fight here. Let's be friends. Let's do your homework. Don't be lazy. You can do it. Read this aloud. Good morning, teacher. I arrive on time. I greet politely. I say hello. I say goodbye. Say goodbye to Dad. Take your bag. Don't forget your lunch. Be a good boy. Listen to your teacher. Come home on time. Go home at 2 p.m. I am ready to introduce myself. You are ready to introduce yourself anywhere. I feel so confident now. This is such a fun way to practice. I am learning a lot and having fun. I love learning with you, Mom. I will keep practicing every day. You are doing a wonderful job. Fantastic work today. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ready to introduce yourself in English today? Confidently introduce yourself. Repeat after us. Let's learn together. Great job. Say it louder. Say it with a big smile. Say it while jumping. Say it with a wave. Say it slowly. Say it with a deep voice. Say it with excitement. Say it proudly.